What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk out here at Babcock Ranch. I am currently standing in front of Lennar Homes Redbud model. 3,100 square feet, 5-bedroom, 4-bath, all the bells and whistles you could think of. Lennar is one of many builders that offer properties out here in Babcock Ranch. I'm going to take you guys in and put some music on. I'll give you some specs, a little bit more detail about the property. If you have any questions, comment down below. And as always, you can reach me right up there. I'm going to put my information. And if you could do one other thing for me, please like and subscribe. This way it helps motivate me put out more videos. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.